Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open WorldFirst account. To open a WorldFirst account, you must apply online through their website, which is free and takes only a few minutes to start. The specific details and documentation required vary based on whether you are applying as a sole trader or a registered company. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary information and documents ready, including your mobile phone and access to your email account for verification. A valid government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or a driver's license, your trading address and registered business information. For companies, details on directors and ultimate beneficial owners holding 25% or more ownership, including their personal information and proof of ID. How to apply? Go to the WorldFirst website and sign up. Click the Sign Up button on your regional WorldFirst website. Select your country and business type. Choose the country where your business is registered from the drop-down list. You will then select if you are a sole trader or registered company. Enter your basic details. Fill in your email address and phone number to create a login. You will receive a one-time passcode to verify your email and phone. Provide business information. Enter your company's information such as the registered name, number, address, industry, and estimated monthly turnover. Verify your identity. To prove your identity, you will upload a copy of your government-issued ID. For companies, you will need to provide this information and documentation for directors and UBOs as well. Complete a selfie check. As part of the online process, you may be directed to a mobile portal to take a selfie for identity verification. Submit your application. After providing all necessary details and documents, you can submit your application for review. You will receive an email confirmation regarding your application status within 2 business days. Once approved, your account will be active and you can log in to begin using its features. You can then add new currency accounts as needed from your dashboard. WorldFirst may require additional verification via video call or documents, such as bank statements, to finalize the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.